Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aesthetic Art. So a few days ago I asked people to comment down their names or business names and I made a name logo for them. And in this video I have shown some of the name logos that I've made. But hey, do you also want a custom name or a business name logo? So here's the thing, if I get 100 likes on this video, I will make a name logo for 10 people who will comment on this video. So without wasting a moment, let's get started with the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment your name or business name below.